All right, so we're done talking about prostate cancer, treatments for prostate cancer, and where we're transitioning now is regardless of the treatment you decide to have, whether it's surgery, radiation, proton beam, active surveillance, focal therapy, hormone therapy, whatever you choose, health and wellness needs to be a part of everyone's overall treatment plan. And so we're going to go through some basics of health and wellness and how to improve your health and wellness even in the midst of a cancer diagnosis. So, health and wellness is a topic not commonly discussed at the doctor's office. Doctors are too busy. A normal 15-minute appointment with your doctor, only about 7 minutes of that 15-minute visit is spent face to face, and they just don't have the time because they're overloaded with patients, overloaded with diagnoses, and often just too busy to give focus on overall health and wellness. Now, health and wellness does have a few obstacles that can stand in the way in someone achieving their optimal health and wellness. And some of it is that they're just simply patients are just simply not aware of what real health and wellness is and how to achieve it. The other obstacle is that they may know there are some ways to improve, but they just are not willing to improve their health and change their lifestyle and make those tough changes that can lead them to a healthier life. Now, our culture tends to promote and make it easy to live an unhealthy lifestyle. We've become accustomed to just taking a medication and fixing the problem with a medication, as opposed to really focusing in on real health and root cause of health. So there's another issue is that doctors' training is not focused in the area of health and wellness and prevention. Doctors are trained in disease care, and how to utilize medications and procedures when someone has become very sick. So they're not typically the ones that are the best at explaining health and wellness. Now, treatments are important. There's still need for emergent care and traditional care, but as you will see that in the next few years, preventative health will become more and more important in achieving health and wellness. Now, when you look at treatments, one of the most important things to understand is that everyone's body was created with the ability to heal itself. The body is very complex. It has feedback loops and communicates with itself through various mechanisms, and again, it's designed to heal itself. So when the body gets out of alignment and balance, the ability to fight off infection and disease and even potentially cancer is diminished, and over a period of years that can add up. So one of the ways to optimize health and wellness is to detox, to rid your body of these toxins that have built up, that have an outcome that are causing the body to just not function as it's designed to function. And so again, detox becomes really important. Detoxing not only of heavy metals, but pathogens and again things that can build up that are harming our bodies. So this is important part of health, not only just for overall health, but when you have a cancer diagnosis, and added stress and um, additional need for the body's ability to fight disease and fight cancer, this becomes an important piece in optimizing your health. So let's look at our goals. We want to set our goal. We want to make a plan, and often that plan includes some form of education or learning or helping you understand why making these changes is so important. Now, after that, we get to work and we start making some changes to your behavior, changes to your diet, changes to your activity level. And again, just making some small changes in those areas can lead to really big results. We want you to stick with it. Sometimes, this is different than traditional healthcare where, you get a medicine and you see how this medicine helps. When you start improving and optimizing health and wellness, sometimes this takes 6 months. It may take a year to really achieve true health and wellness. So sticking to it is important. A support system is important in reaching the goal, and continuing to progress and transform and potentially reverse chronic disease, which is always a goal when you talk about health and wellness. So what is health? Health is a state of complete physical, social, and mental well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. um, so health and wellness, it covers a broad range of topics from healthy diets to active and healthy lifestyles. The aim is to contribute to physical, emotional, spiritual, intellectual, and optimal well being of each person. So, optimization, when we look at optimizing your health, we're trying to make it as perfect, effective, or functional as possible, through, again, once we learn more about what can be changed and what can be addressed, now we can make these changes and improve your overall health. So, optimized health and wellness, it's an optimized body, it's an optimized mind, and it's an optimized life, ultimately, which is the goal of all of this. There are important pieces to the optimized body. These include body alignment and body function. When you look at body alignment, you're looking at posture and the importance of having symmetrical posture and posture that is ideal for each person. And the goal of this is, once that ideal posture is met, the body functions better, the systems function better, the organs function better. They function better to achieve success in wellness. Now, stretching and strength are important. Now, we know the benefits of body stretching and muscle stretching, are numerous, and these improvements in your stretching can affect how your body improves its blood flow, how it improves the lymphatic drainage, and then how it improves nerve transmission. So stretching is important, and then strengthening the body is also a part of body alignment, where strengthening your body, whether it's getting through surgery or recovering from surgery, or having that strong body that is now able to heal and fight through whatever treatment you've decided for prostate cancer. Again, it becomes very important to have some type of strength build up to allow you to get through these treatments better. So body function, we're talking about blood flow, breathing and oxygenation. We're talking about hydration status and the quality of your hydration, making sure that you're drinking a high quality water, without contaminants. Nutrition is important, and replacement of micronutrients is important. This piece also kind of fits with the detox and again, improving your diet to help the body detox naturally, through waste removal. So these are two important parts of the optimized body. The optimized mind, control of your thoughts, having a positive reaction and hope, growth mindset becomes crucial here. Again, dealing with cancer and dealing with an issue that can be life changing and life altering, it's important to have that mindset that yes, you can beat this cancer. Yes, you can make these changes and achieve wellness. It's all inside of you to draw on to improve your health. You have the ability to do it, and a lot of it is through epigenetics, and we talk about your changes in your behavior, your changes in your diet, the changes in what you put in your body actually can change the genetic expression, um, to help you achieve health and wellness. And you have to have that mindset of wanting to make those changes and that mindset that you can do it to make these changes, that becomes so crucial when you start looking at making some changes. And then spiritual connection to your creator, connection to your purpose. We're all here for a reason. We all have things that we feel like we are created to do, and through an optimized mind, hopefully this allows you to fulfill whatever your purpose is for your life. So optimized life, we talk about social and environmental, intimate family, friends, community, support network. These are important anytime you're dealing with making changes or treatment. These are important. And then environmental, you're free from toxins, reduced stressful situations, and learning some techniques that can help reduce those stressful situations naturally, can be helpful in improving your life and allowing you to live that optimized life. So now we're going to change over more towards health, and the importance of immunity. This is something that you hear so much in the news about, immunity. It is just so important. It's something that our bodies naturally fight both infection and abnormal cells through our immunity, and in maintaining an ideal internal environment to optimize your immunity is really one of the most important things you can do as any, for any cancer diagnosis. Now, 70 to 80% of our immunity comes from gut health, and it's what we put in our bodies that allows our body to fight infection and fight these abnormal cells. So again, gut health is important. You can't put enough importance on gut health. And again, making some small changes to improve what you're putting in your body so that gut health is optimized. And the end result, again, is improved immunity. That's what we want when we talk about improving your gut health. So a healthy biome in your gut is essential. Um, so how is this important for your cancer journey? There's different ways of looking at it. You can optimize your health before treatment and actually strengthen your body and prepare it more for treatment that you're about to undergo. You can also improve your health and optimize your health and wellness to allow your body to heal following treatments. And then also, the improved health and wellness also helps prevent further disease process and potentially the return of cancer. So it's important for all these different reasons. What is the main goal? Four different areas, and main goals include helping your body function optimally the way it was designed to work. We want to find out the root cause that's contributing to disease. So 90% of chronic diseases come from inflammation. So we want to focus on decreasing body inflammation. We want to find out where you're imbalanced in your lab work, imbalanced in your body where your toxins are building up and things like that. And we do that so that we can put you on a customized plan to reverse and repair any damage that's there. So again, that your body functions optimally. That's the end goal. And everyone is different. So an individualized and personalized approach is best. So we have 6 areas of components of optimized health. These include gut health, elimination of toxins, mental health, the importance of stretching and strengthening, the importance of improving blood flow in lymphatic drainage and ridding the body of waste, and then the replacement of micronutrients. These are all important parts of optimal health and wellness. So we look at removal of toxins, and again, a lot of this happens through our diet and what we eat. There's also supplements that can be very helpful in helping remove toxins. But everyone has toxins. Everyone has a toxin load that is potentially affecting how their body expresses genetically processes throughout the body. So number two is restore, gut health, restoring gut health, improving the microbiome, and getting the gut to improve not only immunity, but 90% of our serotonin in our that is used in our brain also comes from our gut. So, it's just important to restore health and wellness through gut health. Micronutrients, there are many things, small nutrients that are off in our system, and by replacing these micronutrients, we're able to allow our bodies to function again as they were created to function, once these nutrients are replaced. Blood and lymphatic flow, these are so important. Blood flow, because this is where waste removal happens. This is where nutrient exchange happens. This is where oxygen delivery happens. And improving blood flow is crucial to improving healing and improving the body's ability to not only take in nutrients but also rid the body of waste. The same with lymphatics. Lymphatics are so important to process these fluids so that, again, the body's lymph system is functioning optimally. And then structure, we talked about it earlier, but posture, strengthening and stretching is a very important part of optimizing your health and wellness. And then your mind, elevating your mind, the importance of a growth mindset, and really believing that you can make these changes. You have it in you to make these changes that can ultimately help you achieve health and wellness so that you are living your best life. And then connection, we all need to connect with people or with a community. This becomes important when we are trying to make changes, and having a support system is crucial in helping us achieve whatever goal it is that we set out to achieve. Having connection and support becomes, again, important. So, that's a brief overview of health and wellness. Again, whatever treatment you decide to have for prostate cancer, it is so important to have some piece of health and wellness being a part of your treatment and recovery for cancer, because the benefits are limitless, and this is what will allow you to live your healthiest life, again, that you were created to live. So I thank you for listening. um, that's it. I'm Dr. William Stiles. I am the prostate coach, and thank you again.